of this ramp construction. How would I try to get it to work? First I would try to construct the two steepnesses, the inner steepness and the outer steepness, and to just that you can see what I'm doing, turning. So this, I put it exact above. So now what's the height I have to make? Maybe 3 meters. That was wrong. Where is the line? Here. 3 meters. Here also 3 meters. This would be the inner ramp. This would be the outer line of the ramp. But it's not good to start here like this or like this, because let's have a look at the car and the auto. Zweite Elemente, Fahrzeuge. Let's get one of these, and let's have a side look. So this point on other vehicles could be a problem. They are not. If you get a bigger one, you will scratch here. And let's do it here. Here you see the problem you may be getting with longer vehicles. So this should always be rounded. And how could I do this? Maybe the easiest way should be the spline tool. And you'll see what you get. It's getting slowly really steep and then slowly back. And the same down here. That's not so. So you get two lines. This line for the inner side, this line for the outer side. And now here's the break point, and here's the break point on the inner side. And these two lines should be put together in 3D. So what can we do? This one, give a little back, should be divided into two. This one is really easy. This one, okay. Is it possible to break apart? Yes, it is. And this one always also breaking apart. Okay, this one. So I make morph lines. This one morph line, the second one morph line, the second one. So I have to rotate them. The easiest way with the section view. Yeah. These are all these morph lines. I go to the most left point and put it upright. This one too. Turn them up. One long, one small. Okay, I didn't divide it. The morph. Okay, I have to do it again. Okay. This one and that one. I have to do it a little apart. But I have to use the same height. And this one is the same. But it should stay the same height. And now I do it to morph. This one, this one, this one, this one. Back to the section view. Take that, turn it. Take this, turn it. Now this one too. The same point, turning point. Okay, but it's the opposite way. Okay, back. Turn it down. Okay, so this one, my mouse is always touching another thing, so turn it. Look in 3D. Okay, that looks better now. So where are my morphs lines? Okay, they are down there. Okay, doesn't matter. Here they are. So this one I give to that point and turn it. This one I give to that point and turn it. And okay, I have to do it with the picture. Doesn't matter, of course. Copy. them to the position they belong. Okay, this one. Okay. And just about there. I have no right measurements, but these things are lines in 3D now. And it should be possible to connect them with two shells. Let's try it. It also could work with this tool. Let's make it this way. One, the other, make it straight, click, make it straight, and now you can take this nearly to the curve. Here it's not really a curve. My graphic card is not so good at this. So now the other side. The same. Maybe that's the first. That's the second. Go back. Take it, make it straight, and now you can put new points on it. Okay, it's in the way. And here too. Not necessary to make it all round. And you see the problem with it here. You have to test it with a car if it's not too steep again. Here you can put also a round thing in it. It's a little better. Okay, it should get more points. Back. One more point somewhere. Where is the line? Maybe here. And here, let's get it a little rounder. Okay, if you look here, it's much better now. Two parts. Okay, that should function. But you see, a car really gets a big side angle in such a curved ramp. And curved, it's not the real term for it. And in 3D you get a gap, but it doesn't matter, I think. But this way you get a ramp, and let's have a look. You get the meta section cut, and you just see in one level until 1 meter. All what's above 1 meter you don't see in this level, because it's out of the view. But that would be the correct display in the rising level where you start. And here you could get a hatch like shadows. You look down behind if you see so. Okay, I hope I could help this way. It's a complete other solution, and a better solution, I think, than the one I told you before. I hope you can, can make something out of it. Have a nice day.